Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 6 best LED video light for creators. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we've included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 6. ZHIYUN MOLUS X100 RGB Pro 100-watt video light. V2 upgraded version, professional photography lighting, portable continuous output lighting, 2500K to 10,000K. Brand, ZHIYUN. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth, USB. Hardware interface, Bluetooth, USB. 100-watt RGB video light. MOLUS X100 RGB packs a powerful 100-watt continuous output lighting with advanced optics, delivering ultra-bright yet flicker-free illumination. It ensures accurate color reproduction with a 2500K to 10,000K color range, CRI greater than 95 and TLCI greater than 97. Features include music sync mode and 18 built-in FX for creative lighting. Pocket-sized photography lighting. ZHIYUN RGB video light weighing just 384 grams and compact as your palm, fits in backpacks or even coats. From mountain hikes to urban shoots, this professional portable video light with battery goes wherever creativity calls. Dual 1/4-inch screw mounts allow 0 to 180-degree adjustment via tripods or adapters, perfect for portraits, interviews, live streaming, and YouTube and TikTok content creation. Multi-purpose expandable accessories. The ZHIYUN X100 RGB COB light comes with a range of versatile line control accessories, including diffusers, barn doors, and a 40cm softbox. These tools enable precise light shaping, softer diffusion, and creative lighting effects, ideal for photographers and videographers who demand professional-grade control. Number 5. The NEEWER HB80C RGBWW LED video light is a versatile, high-performance lighting solution for both photography and videography. Its 80-watt RGB COB output provides bright, continuous illumination with an impressive color range from 2500K to 7500K for full creative control. The built-in 72-watt-hour battery ensures portability, while the 100-watt PD fast charging keeps downtime minimal, perfect for on-location shoots. The handheld compact design makes it easy to maneuver, and the Bowens mount allows use with various light modifiers for professional quality results. RGB and white light modes combined with adjustable brightness enable precise mood and effect customization. Silent operation makes it ideal for video recording, while the sturdy build feels reliable. Overall, the HB80C delivers powerful, flexible, and portable lighting, making it an excellent choice for creators seeking professional results in any setting. Number 4. The NEEWER FS150B LED video light is a game changer for photographers and videographers seeking professional quality lighting. With 130-watt bicolor COB output, it delivers consistent, flicker-free illumination ranging from 2700K to 6500K, perfect for both warm and cool settings. Its CRI 97+ ensures accurate color rendering, making skin tones and product shots look natural. The 4 types of precise dimming and 12 built-in effects provide excellent creative control, while the 2.4G and app control options make adjustments quick and convenient. Producing up to 72,000 lux at 1 meter, it's bright enough for demanding setups. The Bowens mount adds flexibility for modifiers, and the silent operation is ideal for video recording. Overall, this light combines power, precision, and versatility in a professional, user-friendly package. Number 3. The NEEWER FS150B LED video light is a game changer for photographers and videographers seeking professional quality lighting. With 130-watt bicolor COB output, it delivers consistent, flicker-free illumination ranging from 2700K to 6500K, perfect for both warm and cool settings. Its CRI 97+ ensures accurate color rendering, making skin tones and product shots look natural. The 4 types of precise dimming and 12 built-in effects provide excellent creative control, while the 2.4G and op control options make adjustments quick and convenient. Producing up to 72,000 lux at 1 meter, it's bright enough for demanding setups. The Bowens mount adds flexibility for modifiers, and the silent operation is ideal for video recording. Overall, this light combines power, precision, and versatility in a professional, user-friendly package. Number 2. 2-pack LED Video Light Kit. Nice VD Studio Light. 2800 to 6500K dimmable photography lighting kit with tripod stand and phone holder. 73-inch stream light for video recording, game streaming, YouTube. Brand, Nice VD. Connectivity technology, USB. Multiple color temperature and adjustable brightness. There are 3 color temperatures which offer different lighting atmosphere. This studio light is equipped with 356 LED beads, which offers a stable and ample output of 15 watts. Features a high CRI of 97+ for precise color rendering. Adjust the brightness in a range of 10 to 100% with button up and down on remote to meet different photography circumstances, offering extra lighting for your works. Light panel and power cable. The 10-inch 25.5 centimeters by 7.8-inch 19.8 centimeters LED light panel with compact design allows you to carry around conveniently with durable storage bag. Thickened light shell works a diffusion, making the lighting more softer. Ideal USB port for powering the device with 5-volt 2A DC wall charger or power bank. Comes with USB-C adapters that allow you to power the device with cell phone or laptop. Height adjustable tripod. The tripod of the video light adopts durable but lightweight aluminum with powder sprayed layer, looks chic and classic. The light stand can be raised up to 60 inches, folded size 17 inches, perfect to store and carry. Adjust the height flexibly with 3 screw knobs, loosen and tighten. Attach and detach the light panel easily with the 1/4 inch threads on the top of the tripod. Loosen the screw on side to rotate the light panel angle and range of 180 degrees. Tighten it when get suitable angle. Number 1. NEEWER 2-pack bi-color 660 LED video light and stand kit. 2 3200 to 5600K CRI 96+ dimmable light with U-bracket and barn door. 2 75 inches light stand for studio photography, video recording. Brand, NEEWER. Connectivity technology, USB. Hardware interface, HDMI. Bi-color dimmable LED studio light. With 330 warm white and 330 cool white LEDs, this 660 40-watt LED video light features a maximum illuminance of 3300 lux per meter, 3200 to 5600K adjustable color temperature, and 0 to 100% adjustable brightness. The high CRI of 96+ ensures an authentic reproduction of colors. Voltage, DC 12 volts. Input voltage, 100 to 240 volts. Battery output, DC 14.8 volts. Consistent and flicker-free lighting is essential for filmmakers, portraits, product photography, YouTube videos, gaming, and more. Premium metal design. The rugged aluminum design allows the heat to dissipate effectively without the need of a noisy fan. The metal barn door helps shape the light and control light spill. And the U-shaped mounting bracket allows you to tilt the light panel 360 degrees to achieve a desired lighting angle. Dual power options and LCD screen. Power the lights with an AC power adapter or enjoy cable-free operation with an NP-F550 or NP-F970 lithium-ion battery, not included, when you photograph outdoors. High-definition LCD screen lets you check the brightness, color temperature, and battery power in real time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.